apply for your Nurturing Skills Learner Fund course, if you previously applied but did not fully register, select the Cluster login at the top of the Portobello Institute website. Use the previously used email and password to log in, or follow the steps to reset your forgotten password if necessary. On the Cluster portal, fill in all the required fields in the Personal Data section. Click the Create a New Application button. Please select the 2026-2027 option from the pop-up window. Click Next. Enter the relevant Early Childhood Care and Education course with the October starting date. Click Next. Please make sure to select Nurturing Skills Learner Fund in the Price List drop-down menu in the Financial section. Then click the Confirmation tick box. Upload any required documents by clicking the relevant Browse button and locate the document on your device. Select Yes from the drop-down menus to indicate your intention of applying for the Nurturing Skills Learner Fund. Select I consent. Click the Save and Submit button at the top of the screen. Your application has now been submitted. Our team will be in touch with confirmation of your application.